Alright, so the reason behind I go here just to bring in Kabom. Meaning say Akuapem for sorry yes biakuye but I'm say biakuye na kakakra tiari yes na be ya ye nyina be biakuye obi a problem bi a uni obi wo no sese no 2026 no ye pese ya shuni nyina egu ayanka wo hwa sani ankrofo ani eje ni ade a obi na obi wo problem kware ni je ntina ni refi no na ye pese Mampong san sorry anti amanefo mo abufu Mampong nyina munye ready say enano Mampong Abontendomhene amaba eye nana Kofi Ansah Asare the third amabe me pese e din kabom ne de ni je yesiesie kro no e be siesie kro ma kro no ayefe ma be krabehwe ye pese Mampong fa ne ntamahwe because uhwe Akuapem mantem nyina na Mampong na edwuma bebre wa enso no ye huni okoba sese de yaba Mmrantehene ya sorry ye be ye adwuma ye betu ye ho ahyem ye betu ye ho acha ni aye adwuma tie se mamonefo nyina mo abrochi mo enkran akra ba bia ye pese ye homecoming ye be raise Mampong na ye so amafu hu ye nkro no TikTok a o ma hu se Mampong so etiso ana waka se ye nsom a ye besom na me jedi se memuwa no ene my one in ready. Everybody is ready to work with me. I believe people that they are not ready, I'm begging them, I'm praising them. They should work with me. That we can put ourselves together and move Mampong to higher level. Because Mampong is going higher now. So whoever think Mampong is not going high, now I'm telling you, is going high. In the name of God. So please, everybody should get ready. People that they are outside the country, Europe, I'll be starting my Europe tour in this summer. So I'll be going to Europe to visit all the Mampongs. As Nana Mampong said, now Nana Mampong has put me as a representative of Mampongene in abroad. So all the people in Europe, America, all the states, I will make sure I go to Europe and visit everybody, and then we see how we can do our town to come as a big town again. Our festival that is coming next year, we hope everybody should contribute so that we can bring the Mampong up again. Please, we're begging everybody who from Mampong, even if you are not from Mampong, you wanted to help us, we are ready. I'm here to support. I will do all my best to help everybody what we can do. Say, when that's who be brave or chrome ha, yeba Mampong ako. Efi Guaria will chrome ha, efi. I was say, you free na kaumbo, mama phone, papa phone, papa phone, mirror phone, obia. Ebe yejuma, ebe do me biusunwa. What would you fee? Would it be better form of form? Ano, ya no bedi. Na many my, but ebe do wejuma. It's obia in send us to say, go no eba be na eba be so. Aya Kofi Ansah, Nana Kofi Ansah, Asare the third. I am Mmrantehene, amaba Abontendomhene, amaba. Adamu nyina ase. Bye bye.